When I wake up, the world doesn't see me, but it feels me. With every decision I make and every task I complete, I influence thousands of people. But it seems that my influence has gone a bit too far. This is a day in my life. My typical workday starts around 9 a.m. So after enjoying my coffee, I open my laptop and check important emails, whether they are sponsorship emails for this channel or emails related to other businesses I run. After checking my emails, I usually take a 30-minute walk, and during that time, my breakfast is being prepared. So when I come back around 10 a.m., I eat my breakfast and then change to get ready for the day. And I also want you to get ready, my friend, because today will be special. I will show you the other side of using ChatGPT that 99% of people overlook. And for those who stick around, we'll reveal a low-competition business idea making thousands of dollars. And a lot more. Okay, I've just got to my office. I hope you've enjoyed the ride. But now let's shift gears. Did you know that 99% of people, maybe even you, are using ChatGPT all wrong? As a result, you're missing out on its incredible capabilities. The secret? It's all in the prompt. Just like talking to others, it's all about what we say, how we say it, and when we say it. Let's take Peter as an example. Peter wants to write a blog post about making money online, so he tells ChatGPT, "Write me a blog post about making money online." Now, even though he got quick results, as we can see here, the simple prompt he wrote led to a very simple and generic output, which made Peter unhappy. On the other side, we have Alex. Alex decided to give the bot more information, such as the word count, the tone of the article, and the desired writing format. So he wrote, "Write me an 800-word blog post about making money online in an informative yet conversational tone, formatted with headings, paragraphs, and bullet points for easy reading." And as a result, he got much better outputs compared to Peter. So, to help you avoid being a Peter, I'm going to share prompting techniques that guarantee a better outcome. The role-playing technique. This technique is about giving ChatGPT a specific persona, shaping how it responds and the type of content it generates. A persona can be anything: a job title, a fictional character, a historical figure, or any other identifiable role. This technique usually begins with prompts like "act as persona X," "provide outputs as persona X would," or "from now on, behave as persona X." So let's say you're working on a project about ancient Egypt and need insights from a historian's perspective. The formula for the prompt can be structured as follows: act as specific persona, provide type of output or response as this specific persona would on specific topic or task. So, using the example provided, this formula translates to act as an ancient Egyptian historian, provide insights and analysis as this historian would on the construction of the pyramids. In this formula, you clearly define the persona, which is an ancient Egyptian historian, the type of output, which is the insights and analysis, and the specific topic, which is the construction of the pyramids. So if we take this prompt and give it to ChatGPT, we will notice a big difference from the regular ChatGPT responses. Everything, from the tone to the structure to the way the information is presented, is much more professional. But we all do the same thing. We ask ChatGPT questions and receive answers. But what if we flip the roles? That's where the flipped roles technique comes in. It's a technique where ChatGPT takes the lead, asking you questions to understand your needs better. But why should we use this technique? Well, first, it lets the AI gather all the needed info for spot-on responses. And second, it saves you a ton of time you'd spend crafting the perfect prompt. So the prompt formula can be structured as follows. From now on, I would like you to ask me questions to do a specific task. When you have enough information to do the task, create desired output. So imagine you have this eco-friendly water bottle and want to develop a marketing strategy for this product. You would use the formula like this. From now on, I would like you to ask me questions to develop a marketing strategy for my new eco-friendly water bottle. When you have enough information to formulate the strategy, create a detailed plan with key marketing channels and targeted customer demographics. So, as soon as we give ChatGPT the prompt, it will start generating relevant questions. It asked about why our product is different, target audience, brand values, and so on. So, what you need to do next is to go through the questions and answer them one by one. So I did that, and as you can see, we now have a super detailed marketing strategy tailored to our product and goals. And even though answering all questions might take some time, this technique ensures that the end output is exactly what you require.
I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see it in my rear view.
Wait a minute, do you see this shop? It has made over $1 million selling Renaissance pet portraits. It's one of the lowest competition niches available, with listings making thousands of dollars monthly. This works by the customer selecting a background image for their pet's face to be printed on. When they order, they'll send a photo of their pet, and your job then is to place their pet's photo onto the chosen background. Now, while this seems overwhelming and hard to do, I'm going to show you how you can easily start this business with the help of AI. Step number 1 is to generate the body background. And this can be easily done inside Midjourney by typing a prompt such as portrait of a dog standing in military uniform. And this alone will give you great images that you can use. I personally like this one, so I'm going to click the upscale button inside Midjourney to get the highest quality possible. So let's say you received an order and the customer provided this image. First, I will open the body image in Photoshop, and if you don't have Photoshop, you can use a free alternative such as Photopea and follow along. Okay, so now we need to remove the head from the AI body so we can replace it with the customer's image later. To do that, I will hit L on the keyboard and make a rough selection around the head. After that, I will right-click and choose the Content Aware Fill option, and this will let us replace the pet's head with the background. After doing that, I will upload the customer's image and then use the Select and Mask option in order to cut out the pet's head. Then, I'll position the head on the AI-generated background, and with some minor adjustments, you'll notice everything beginning to come together. After that, I applied some more filters and shadows to correct the coloring of the pet's face and make everything fit nicely. And to spice things up, I applied the oil painting filter, which makes the image look even better. As a final step, I will combine all layers together and then select the Camera Raw filter. I will play with the levels to make final adjustments, add more texture, and make the image pop up even more. And there you have it. The print design is now complete and ready to be shipped to the customer. This can be done using print-on-demand services like Printify, which will print and deliver the product to your customers without you having to lift a finger. And who knows, you might achieve results similar to the existing listings or perhaps even surpass them. My day isn't complete without reading your comments, so I want to thank everyone for the support, because your support is what inspires me to keep going. And I promise you guys, big things are on the way.